Hey guys, this is Kyle with Big N Exhaust. Today in this video, we're going to go over the basics of repacking your muffler. It's important to make sure that your muffler is repacked so that you can ensure that you get the most performance while keeping the sound and heat down. We offer various lengths in our packing kit, so it's important to make sure that you measure and order the right size for your application. The easiest way to repack a muffler is to remove the muffler from the vehicle. Some of our vehicles are dual, so remember that you have to remove both mufflers in order to repack both of them. All of our mid pipes are slip fit design, which means that they are not welded onto the inlet. They are easily removed by removing the spring and pulling the mid pipe out, which allows you to have the muffler in your hand for easier maintenance. Before you get started, make sure that you have all the proper tools to get the job done. For this demonstration, we're going to go through and remove and repack the packing on an ECO system. First, we'll grab our Allen wrench and remove our perimeter bolts. Once the perimeter bolts are removed, we're going to go through and remove the tip. For this, you may need a screwdriver and a mallet. We now have an open muffler where you can see the perforated core and the packing. Once the base plate is removed, we'll go ahead and remove the perf core and the packing. Once all the perf core and packing are removed, we'll go through and inspect the perf core to make sure that there is no debris blocking any of the holes in the core and it's free flowing. Next, we will wrap the core with the packing and insert it into the muffler. Make sure that the core is protruding out the bottom so that it can line up evenly with the inlet on the bottom side. Once your core and packing are reinstalled, it's time to reinstall the base plate. Make sure that the core lines up with the machine pocket on the inside of the base plate. Snugly fitting, twist until your screw holes line up. Once your screw holes are lined up, make sure you reinstall the core 20 perimeter bolts with Loctite. We recommend using red Loctite to help ensure that the bolts stay in place. Once Loctite is put in, it's now time to reinstall the screws. Now, with the bolts reinstalled, it's time to reinstall your Big N exhaust back on your vehicle. You may see some smoke, and that's completely normal and will go away after 1 or 2 rides. We recommend that you stay up on your packing and check it every 15 to 20 hours. For more information, head to bignexhaust.com. Thanks for watching.